So this is the view from our hotel room where we stayed for one night only. The Prague city is actually over there, the old town. I can see my car from the from the room. Little bit messy because we are checking out, but it was actually pretty nice room. Sayang, the mama shelter, tak? Tak. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Very affordable price, 80 something euro. So it's not that bad really. And especially as this is Christmas soon, we're going to explore a little bit more there. Philharmonia Czeska!
What is it?
Philharmonia Czeska. Nice. Sayang.
Very nice.
Very nice. You feel cold? Okay, let's explore the Karol Bridge, Charles Bridge and everything, alright? Let's go. Jer, look at this one, it's nice over there. Oh, what's up? Dzień dobry from Czech Republic, Prague.
Okay, so this one is the continuation of our yesterday's video. So after we check out, we decided to go exploring the city, sightseeing actually. So yeah, let's see what's they gonna bring us today. Okay, let's go to the bridge.
Some old looking trams here, they still have it. They have it old one and they have it the new one. This is the one of the bridges here. Actually in Prague there's a lot of bridges everywhere around. But this is not the bridge where we have to go. But the view is nice actually on the front. And I believe there is nice view of the Vltava river. Something like that. Ooh, nice. Nice indeed. This is the bridge where we have to go actually. Over there. That's the bridge. And this tram is even older actually right now. Also cool. This one you just has to stand. Cool. A little bit of some nice view. It's very windy, so I'm so sorry for the wind noises. There's some nice restaurant overlooking the river, and this is the bridge where we actually has to hit now. So, like this one. Ooh, very windy, Sayang. How do you copy with the weather?
Cold.
Cold. It looks so cute like this one, huh? Let's go. We go there, huh? Let's go. Let's go. Little bit of the view.
Beautiful river.
Isn't it?
Is there any lele?
Lala?
So you can fishing lele.
Probably, Sayang, probably.
Hey, this one reminds me of Budapest. Look.
Tak, little bit.
Look, the hill, river, and the buildings just like in Budapest. Same but different.
Same but different.
And the bridge.
Tak.
It's nice. And I feel the city is very busy with the tourists.
Hey, well,
It's same like in Budapest also.
yeah, we're going to the bridge and you will see on Monday how many people are there already. In the morning on Monday, right? Let's go have a look. Just a Monday morning in the Prague. Very nice architecture. Technically you could spend here 1 week to explore many things. Check this out, the tram coming from the tunnel, like this one. This one is something nice over here. Actually similar to Budapest, no?
Opposite.
Oh!
Bardzo dużo ludzi, tak?
What was that? This is the entrance to the legendary bridge here in Prague, right? Let's go. Same but different. But look how many people in the morning on Monday, huh? Let's check this out, what's going on. This is the entrance to the bridge this Monday morning. So many people everywhere. I will make a loop 360 degrees a little bit to show you around. But it's crazy! Unbelievable! It's very windy. I don't have my microphone, so I'm so sorry for the potential quality. But yeah, this is it. Ooh, actually nice ceiling of this place. And this is the legendary Charles Bridge or Karol Bridge. Yep, no cars allowed here. Karlov most, czyli most Karola. Krakow bridge with all of the historical people on the monuments here. Serious thing, people from all around the world, literally, and a lot. So as this is a continuation of the bridge, quite a lot of people. This is one of the biggest tourist attractions here actually in Prague, I believe. So a lot of people as expected. But that's how does it. I don't know. I like to film these birdies. Ooh, are so big, no? But that's how does it look like. And we are going exploring to the fullest as much as possible we can in 24 hours. Sayang, we came to the Prague again for 24 hours, Raja.
Prague.
But that's okay, that's our style, no?
Prague. Because it's just like a city break, you know.
City break. Many people don't understand the concept of city breaks, yeah?
Look at this one.
Ooh, very nice indeed. This is the Jesus Christ, when he was on the cross and stuff. Very cultural vibes, eh? That's how it is. And generally speaking, that's how they look the situation. One more time, as I said, as I mentioned, quite a lot is going on, but generally speaking, it's a really nice thing to see, to visit, to explore. Really nice city indeed.
But I can see that it's beautiful city.
Beautiful city. That a lot of is going on. A lot of people from all around the world. Many things to do and see. So visit Prague.
Yeah. No wonder so many people.
No wonder. And this is the end of the bridge and also very nice historical part of the city. Check this out. So lovely. Hey.
Literally quite international.
Right, people from all around the world without any doubts, right? That's exactly the first thing what I noticed when we arrived here. Yeah?
I had a group of Malaysians
Yeah, Malaysian also,
saying
right?
betul-betul.
Betul.
Southeast Asian people many here come.
So you are walking on the bridge and then you just realize that there is also little like a canal, little bit like in Venice or something like that. Or like in the Hanoi. But no, like more like in Venice or something. Yeah, so nice. Nice stuff. And you can still sit outside actually if you would like to. This is actually a very nice entrance. Very nice shot, have to say indeed. Check this out. But yeah, lots of people. So this is continuation of working in the old town market square. Lots of things to see and do in Prague, actually. Everywhere. Let's go. This one is actually cute street, isn't it? Yeah. Let's have a look. Looks nice indeed. Hot wine. Dark boutique. Hotel pod wieżą. Tak, like a kamienica, tak, indeed. Sayang, yeah, right? And this pączek ice cream again. Tradycyjnie staropraskie. Tak. And the big doll. Tak. A lot of people really from all around the world here, and you can hear the voices from all around the world, huh? Like literally.
Monday, but it's just like
Tak. Monday but pack. It's just 10 a.m. on Monday. Unbelievable, isn't it? Check this out, so much is going on. They even have a McDonald's, my gosh. But also quite a bit people here. What's going on? Check this out. Actually, surprisingly, in McDonald's quiet. But so many nice things everywhere around here, so probably no wonder, right? And let's see what is on the front of us. Cool. Nice coffee shop, actually. So there's like a nice church or something. And this is like a corner with the trams, with the nice this one. Very nice kamienica with the year. Like this one. So not that super old, but old. Very nice coffee shop in the corner, actually. This is really cool. Yeah, this is it. This place is that nice, I'm gonna tell you, as normally. I think we're gonna have some cake or coffee or herbatka or something, whatever. Because places like this one I really adore, I have to say. Not sure even if it would be my dream to have it like this one. But let's get inside, Sayang, to this one, okay? Let's have a look. Let's get inside. Looks dope. I hope so they don't mind. It's gonna be a little bit, but it's really nice. And it's so busy over here. Actually, so nice. Nice. And there's a gelato here, actually. Tak w ogóle, by the way, we are in Lamborghini Espresso. Trentino Lamborghini Cafe. So cool, is it? So cool. They are really busy, like in the coffee shop. That's without that. But the Lamborghini coffee. How cool is this? A nice experience and ding dong. So nice, isn't it?
Oh my god, and they start traffic jam.
It's very busy actually. It's just Monday around 12 o'clock right now. So much is going on, but definitely worth to try everything, right? We are going back because we park on the side of the street and the time is over soon. I just wanted to notice this is like now it's around 12 and check this out how many people are everywhere around. It's like endless amount of people. I will say I could say it's even busier than in Kuala Lumpur when I was like in the holiday season 2 years ago. So it's even busier than in Kuala Lumpur 2 years ago, no?
No, this is the busiest.
Busiest, huh? It's just totally different level. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's the first time experience with the snow. It's a little bit wet snow, but it's nice. And look how many everywhere around. What are you doing? Snowboard? Ooh. Slippery. Nice. Now you know how it feels the snow. And look at behind you, Sayang. The snow, the trees. This is how the Sayang, touch this fresh snow from the white thingy here. How do you feel?
So cold.
So cold?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
dirty.
put the syrup, no?
Not
This is what I imagine. Put the coconut syrup on the top and put the grass jellies. It's like
Fuck. You throw there. Throw there, sir. Nice. Let's go there. So nice, huh? So we stop in the Szklarska Poręba in Poland for the lunchy. It is bad weather. And there's some renovations ongoing. But also you can find places like this one perhaps. Just for the end of the trip. Just after the playing with the snow. Actually so cold.